Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer Litecoin from your Phantom wallet to Coinbase in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device, some Litecoin in your wallet, and a verified Coinbase account. If you don't have these, pause the video and get them ready. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and log in with your secure credentials. Double-check that you're on the main dashboard where you can see your Litecoin balance. Security is key in crypto, so always verify you're on the official app to avoid any scams. Step 2. Navigate to the Send or Transfer option in Phantom. Select Litecoin from your list of assets. Now, you'll need your Coinbase Litecoin wallet address. Head over to Coinbase, log in, and find it in your wallet settings. Copy that address carefully. One wrong character could send your coins into the void. Step 3. Back in Phantom, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, network fees might be lower due to upgrades, but always aim for a balance between speed and cost. Step 4. Hit Review and double-check everything: amount, address, and fees. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to approve it, probably with your wallet's security features like biometrics or a PIN. Finally, sit tight and monitor the transfer. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Coinbase account to confirm the Litecoin has arrived. And there you have it. Your transfer is complete. Remember, crypto is all about caution, so always keep your private keys safe and use two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.